Hey guys, so today is a new day. I am back vlogging. We are getting ready to go to church. My sister have a birthday dinner later. Yeah, and that's that. I've been kind of MIA, kind of chilling lately, getting my new equipment together, working on some things. So yeah, that's what I've been up to, trying to get ready to do some different things on my channel, freshen it up. It's the whole new year, you know, want new things with a whole new year. I also have been focusing more on my business, so excuse me for doing that, but business is everything, and sometimes you just have to get in a place where you have to focus and y'all know all the professionals on here who know. Yeah, so that's what we're about to do today. I'm gonna take you guys with me today, and yeah, go from there. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I didn't vlog my food. I didn't do nothing I said I was gonna do, so I'm very irritated about that. Yeah, it was just, I got distracted with the kids and we had like a lot of family there and I just wasn't thinking about it. So I hate that, guys. I'm gonna try to find like a picture from the restaurant of what I ate so you can see how it looks, just in case you want to check it out. The food was okay. They didn't have, the only thing that caught me off guard was they didn't have yum yum sauce, and I'm like, how can you be a Japanese restaurant saying that you don't have any yum yum sauce, you only have ginger? And I'm like, that don't work for me. Sorry. Yeah, I don't go to a Japanese spot and not get what I want, The food costs too much for that. So I was, a little thrown off by that. I'm not gonna lie. You keep it moving, It's been a rough couple of days. I had a death in my family. So guys, I'm trying to recover from that. It's been a lot on my mind. Like, when like people close to you is hurting, because of a death, close to them, it bothers you, it messes with your mental. And yeah, I'm at that point where I'm just trying to push through, knowing that my younger cousin is hurting. She lost her brother, and it's just like too much for me right now. It's just a lot. So I'm just gonna keep moving, try to keep my spirit high. She was just getting ready to plan her wedding, and I'm sure this situation, will take her back a little bit. So we're going to keep praying for her. We're going to keep her uplifted, her family, her mom, sister, everybody, and do the best we can at just being there if they need us. About to get dressed because I'm about to go to the store. I might take you guys with me to the store. I got to do that today. I was hoping to have an interview. We'll see if she shows up. The realities of a business owner, guys, is real. So it gets real sometimes. Like, sometimes you just be not in the mood. Let's just say that. But I'm going to take you to the store with me, and we'll go from there, and I'll be back. Hey, guys. So it's the next day, and I didn't get to do anything yesterday extra, because I was like doing a lot. But I'm in the store today. I'm chilling. Tired, very sleepy. Trying to get myself together. I gotta pull through today. Told you it's been hard. Had a death in the family, and I'm just trying to keep moving because that's never easy. To keep moving sometimes, but you have to, even though you're hurting, your family's hurting. Yeah, but anyway, I'm going to do some ordering for the store today. I need some hair, and I need like some barrettes and stuff for kids, so I'm gonna do some of that. um what else do I need to do? I need to do that. I need to do some payroll stuff. It's a lot. It's a lot managing a business that, you know, is growing and thriving. um it's not easy. I had an interview yesterday, and that's what kind of threw me off, because I did that, and I kind of know of her, which is a little bit iffy, because sometimes you don't want to do business with people you know. Hint, hint, for all business owners, family, friends, you know, close people, people you may know. It's a lot to go into that. It's a lot of business that sometimes people get mixed up with friendships and everything. So I don't know about all that. We're gonna see. I like to try to give people a chance, but any red flags, anything, I'm the type that, okay, you gotta go, because it's just too much to deal with, to work with. I just got me some KFC, y'all. I got a KFC ball and bowl, and yeah, did that, and that was okay, because I haven't had one in a while. But I've been trying to like be on this healthy kick since, the new year, and I'm doing okay. I have good days and bad days, and I'm okay with that, because at least I'm trying and attempting to do something a little bit different. So yep, we're gonna do that. Gotta keep trying to push for our goals, right? A1, push for your goals. Keep going. Even if you mess up, keep going. It's okay. Have some grace on yourself, but keep going. So I untied healthy eating into the new year. Now I have to tie working out often into the new year. Like, I work out, but I need to work out every day almost. I really do. And I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna be able to do that with, managing kid life in the morning and everything. But I might have to just really start getting up early, exercising, then getting my kids ready to go to school, because it's a lot trying to just, yeah, it's a lot. I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna say that. But anyway, guys, let me get started with my day. When I get back home, I'm gonna take y'all with me, because I think I want to make like a little different little chicken meal when I get home with the chicken I took out, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with it and how you can make a quick little family meal in under 30 minutes by just getting to what you gotta do and making it work. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm finna wash this off. I gotta hurry up and get to the store, so after my 10 minutes, rinse this off in my towel. And I'm trying to get better at self-care, like doing this at least once a week. I would like to step it up to twice a week, doing the math and just, taking better care of myself, period. Eating good, looking good, feeling good, taking care of my mental by protecting my energy and my space. It's an overall life change, let's say that. Everything is gonna be changed. Okay, let me cleanse my face. Okay. It wasn't really hard to come out in, y'all. It's pretty simple. Like, some plays might be so like hard on your skin that it takes forever to come off. But yeah. Okay. I can definitely tell that I like the way my face like feel also. It feels really good, like soft. Yeah. That'll be it towards that. And yeah, that is all I have for today, guys. I will be back with some more great content, so stay tuned. And yeah, if you like this, make sure you hit that like, subscribe button, share, comment if you have questions for content that you would like to see from me. Let me know. Until next time, deuces. Hey guys, so I'm back. About to do this mask. I was supposed to do it last night, but I fell asleep. So now I'm up. I'm here. This is a mask from a black-owned vendor. Her name is Elise. She has like pure skin masks. Everything is natural. This one is the coconut milk mask. And I'm gonna try this out. On here it say mix 0.5 teaspoons of mask to 1.5 teaspoons of water. For extra moisture, add 2 to 3 drops of oil. Apply the mask all over your face and neck. Allow it to dry 10 to 15 minutes. Wipe with warm towels to clean your face. So we're gonna try that. I have actually a little glass that I'm gonna pour it in, and then I'm gonna use my, so she said about like half a teaspoon. Okay, so I have some water. I'm gonna put it in here. Let it get real, you know, mix it a little bit. And then I'm gonna use my brush. Her skincare products are at my store, guys. She's supposed to be re-upping on them, but you can look her up for yourself. Her brand is Pure Skin. She's on Facebook, and I think she has a website also. But Pure Skin. She's from the Illinois area, so if you live in Illinois or surrounding state, yeah, look her up. Feel free to look her up. So I'm gonna mix this, guys, together. The clay with the water, and start to just put it on my face and just let it. I might have put too much water, y'all. I'm just gonna let it sit for a minute. Y'all, one thing that I am definitely getting serious about is my health, the way I eat. I have to take accountability. Y'all, this is not like an overnight process, but I'm trying to get my life together. Like, it's hard. I know the food is causing a lot of sickness and things that we are really probably not ready to discuss. It's hard to take accountability for certain things, but like, if it's all this knowledge out here, y'all, and we don't start to understand the reason why we get cancers and high blood pressures and have strokes, is due to the food we put in our body. Something is really wrong. I'm not wearing this shirt, y'all, so it's getting on this shirt, and that's okay. So, nope, I'm just gonna keep applying it to my skin. I don't want it to get in my mouth. Yucky. Yeah, I put way too much water, y'all. I'm put a little bit more of the clay, and then I'm just gonna let it sit, because I feel like I had already kind of messed it up. But yeah, I was saying, like, it's people I know that's young just dying from all kind of stuff, and then You know, we was a witness to the Mark Hamlin situation and all the stuff that's going on with the vaccines, which I was just like heard an article and then somebody reiterated it on YouTube about how the vaccine was causing like women to bleed more for their menstrual and having ovarian problems and cervical problems, and it's just a lot, guys, to like really process. So, you know, before starting the year off, I wanted to like clean up my diet, try to eat healthier. Now I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have bad like days, like, cause change don't come overnight, and you're a fool if you think that you could just change something overnight. Like, that's not possible. Like, I have to be realistic, but I want to gradually start to make a lifestyle change on what I'm putting in my mouth, because that matters, you know. We just don't know about all this processed food and what it does to us, and, you know, meats and everything. I love seafood, so I know that'll be hard for me to give up. Everything else, I'm okay. But I like vegetables and things like that, and I just want to eat more. Like, I'm not going to say I'm going to be a vegetarian, because I don't know if I'm being vegetarian. I just want a better diet for my overall health. And I want to teach my kids to understand that too, about their bodies one day, you know. It's hard to just get kids to like eat healthy and stuff, like it is. So I'm gonna work with them, of course, day by day, but I know I can't force them to change their lifestyle. So mommy will be the first to change, I'm sure. I'm sure my husband will struggle with that, because he has a very, very unhealthy diet, but I pray that I can encourage him to do or make better choices also. Let's say that. Make better choices for his health. You know, because we got these kids to raise, and I would love to just to do the right thing when it comes down to teaching them how to live longer lives, and, you know, not have to go down that path of being just super unhealthy, you know. Okay, so I got the mask on. I think pretty much it's a good amount on my skin, but I just wanted to sit here for a minute. Sit. Rinse off my brush real quick. Pour this out in the sink. It's clay, so it shouldn't just stick too hard, but I'm just gonna rinse it out. Yeah. Well, we're gonna let it sit 4 minutes, and then she said 15 minutes though. In about, I say 10 minutes, I'll be back when I wash my face. And y'all, let's see. Tell me if you see a difference or anything like that. And yeah, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm gonna wash this off. I gotta hurry up and get to the store, so after my 10 minutes, rinse this off in my towel. And I'm trying to get better at self-care, like doing this at least once a week. I would like to step it up to twice a week, doing the mask and just, you know, taking better care of myself, period. You know, eating good, looking good, feeling good, taking care of my mental by protecting my energy and my space. It's an overall life change, let's say that. Everything is gonna be changed. Okay, let me cleanse my face. Okay. wasn't really hard to come out anyway, y'all. It's pretty simple. Like some plays might be so like hard on your skin that it takes forever to come off. But yeah. Okay. I can definitely tell that I like the way my face like feel also. It feels really good, like soft. Yeah. That'll be it towards that. And yeah, that is all I have for today, guys. I will be back with some more great content, so stay tuned. And yeah, if you like this, make sure you hit that like, subscribe button, share, comment if you have questions for content that you would like to see from me. Let me know. Until next time, deuces.